How to turn off sound recognition on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Hearing section and tap on Sound Recognition. As you can see, the sound recognition feature is currently turned on. With this feature, your phone will continuously listen for certain sounds, and using on-device intelligence, will notify you when sounds may be recognized. Now, turn off this feature. Following these steps, you can easily turn off sound recognition on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.